Fertec was founded in 1997 as a small local hardware store. Now we cater to both businesses and individual clients, with approximately 90% of our turnover generated from corporate clients. I have been considering integrating a vertical warehouse for some time. I learned about it through a friend who had installed one in his company. After seeing it in action, I was convinced that it was an excellent product that stands out in the market. I bought this vertical automated warehouse for organizing and storing small-sized products, ensuring they can be quickly and easily accessed anytime. This modular unit is 10 meters high and was installed in a structure we have created outside our facility so that we can accommodate a higher unit. Our building is only 5 meters high, but with this solution, we can now store a significantly larger amount of material than our original warehouse space would permit. Currently, we have installed one unit, but the structure is designed to accommodate 2 fully loaded modular units. The area is insulated by 10 to 12 semi-porous sandwich panels that protect the structure against heat and cold. The structure is also all anti-seismic. Often, our customers are unsure of what they need. They come to us asking for a product, but without any specifications, and we have to figure out the right product together. For example, they ask for a milling cutter because they need to drill a particular material. We call the model a tray with all the milling cutters, and they can see them all and figure out which one they need. It is practical for us because we have all the material on hand, ready to be picked. We immediately see if something is missing or about to run out. In conclusion, this modular units provide substantial benefits for us.